How hazardous materials are packaged is also extremely important. Standard procedures for safe and secure packaging are described by the DOT in Section 178.600 of the Hazardous Materials Regulations. These procedures meet the international packaging requirements established by the United Nations. Packages meeting these standards will carry the UN symbol and display information about the type, material, and construction of the container on their surface. To find out what type of container should be used to ship a particular hazmat, consult the Hazardous Materials table in the HMR. If you are involved with loading packages of hazardous materials, you are responsible for verifying that the materials they contain are packed according to DOT requirements. So you should double-check that each package has been labeled and marked according to the HMR, and confirm that the shipping papers are ready to go with the shipment. You also need to make sure that all of the materials are undamaged. If there's a problem with the container or the packaging, talk to your supervisor. Remember that some types of materials can react violently with each other, so they should never be shipped or stored together. The DOT provides tables in the HMR that will show you which hazmats should be kept separate from one another.